Hey, this is Kevin with All Star Medical, and today we want to show you Pride Mobility's Victory 10 LX. This is a four-wheel mobility scooter. It's got a high-back captain's chair. It's part of their Victory series. We really like this. This is one of our most popular mid-range chairs. Has a 400-pound weight capacity. It has an adjustable seat that can go in and out, so it can give you a little added leg room, which is a really nice feature. Has a tiller that you can also adjust accordingly in and out. This chair I would not consider portable, but it does break down. So you can actually break down this in half. It's something that I would not recommend you'd be doing on a daily basis, but if you're traveling, you could put this and take with you if you need it to. A couple of the other little cool features here, when you turn it on, you can set the speed gauge from 4 as the maximum, and then you can also kick it into gear where it goes up to 5.5. You have your horns. You have your dial for your speed. Also, you have your lights. It also has a light underneath here, which is great. So if you're ever needing to see something, plug it in at nighttime. It's a great little feature that works really well. Again, 400-pound weight capacity. It also has suspension. One of our more popular mid-range scooters that we sell here at All Star Medical. Highly recommend you coming in, trying it out here at our store. We ship nationwide in the continental United States. We offer free shipping. So give us a call at 615-730-9438 or check us out online at allstarmedicalllc.com.